I've been thinking about myself today. Thinking how I changed. Feel sick, don't care if you are here. Feel sick, there's no. I'll kill the bird without stones. But I don't wanna cry, talk to throw a bone. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick, and I for a while. You're sleeping like me, I thought you looked so curiosity. Guess we have to agree to Cadillac, you see, you see. Pretty weird that they shredded on the car. Exchange our hell. You're my element. Wasn't looking out for you. I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. Hoping I'll forget. Following to watch it hard to look deathly. Made a joke about that half-cut hated metaphor and later made her cry. Looks been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold ride without his foot at home. Space, I love the scenery, my happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be, cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering never really come lifting in like a kid just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. Swear I don't care. Hoping I'll forget. Following the night, now I'm feeling up. When you made a joke about that half-cut hated metaphor and later made her cry. Laugh it off, I'm sick. What's been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold night, grab his foot at home. Thought you looked so mad. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. Wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow. But I'm still looking forward to watching part 2 of Deathly Hallows with you. Cadillac, you see, so you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget. Following the night, you made a joke about that half-cut hated metaphor and laying out my chain. What's been been changing in the soul apparent. Caught a cold white rabbit's foot home. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick, and I don't know why. You remember that night we met? Thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to wait to start the day. For this one last time, I'm standing on in space under the scenery. I mean, this misery ain't just how it used to be. Cause everybody's looking out for himself. So why the hell should I blame? I never underestimate the importance of the fall breaking down upon my feet. How long the offering never blink. I'm listening in like a kid, just finished it, can't be undid. Leaving stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you're in the car, get hoping I will forget, following the night. Made a joke about a half-cut baby metaphor, and lately made her cry. Looks been changing and it's so apparent. Got a cold white rabbit's foot home. They're in this small town, cause in the end we're all buried deep inside the same hole in the ground. I changed. How I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those sick, but I don't wanna cry. Sicker than you know. All we ever do is laugh it off, and I don't know why. Talk to you remember that night we met. Thought you looked so fine for a while. Guess we have to learn sleeping like an angry for this one last time. The curiosity pretty weird that day when we did Cadillac. You see, wasn't looking out for you. We stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. I'm so looking forward to watching. Too much, turning off on the carpet, hoping I'll forget, following the night.